This morning I just wanted to show how I bottle up my fenugreek for travel for a long weekend when I probably won't be in the house or when I'm just getting it ready to go to the reserves. I need to have what I need to have. So shout out to the Dollar Tree for making all possible. I found these really cute bottles at the Dollar Tree. Right now I'm in the middle of making my breakfast. I'm trying to kick off this fenugreek challenge in the right way. I've already soaked my fenugreek and tea overnight, and then I am going to bottle it up. I know that I'm getting ready for the reserves. I may not have time to do it all this weekend, so I'm doing it today. I'm going to be bottling up the fenugreek tea in these travel size glass bottles. That's perfect for my lunch pail. Shout out to the Dollar Tree for making all possible. I got these bottles from the Dollar Tree, and then I container my collagen up in here in a travel size container that's also really small and convenient. And I put my collagen in there just to make sure that I have everything I need. Now I know you guys might say, oh, why don't you put your collagen inside of the bottle so it could all be together. The thing about it is, in my personal opinion, it seems the collagen seems to make everything like I guess expire faster. When I make my shakes and try to make enough for just the next day, it really just doesn't keep the way it would if it was just by itself. What I really like about these bottles from the Dollar Tree is that it actually has these silicone grommets on it. And I'm all about not using a great deal of plastic and stuff like that. So these bottles were absolutely perfect for me. I'm gonna see how it goes. Yeah, it's pretty good. Not bad for something that comes from Dollar Tree. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm fine, thank you. I'm just gonna fill up the other one. I really want to be consistent with my fenugreek tea because it just does wonders for me. I like the fact that it smells like maple, so I really wish it smelled the way it tastes, but unfortunately fenugreek is really, really bitter, so I always make my fenugreek tea with a tea pairing. So I do use Girlfriend's tea, but of course you can always use like a regular tea that you have in a cupboard, like chamomile. I know like chamomile would probably, sleepy time chamomile with like the honey that's already made in it would be perfect. That's really about it. I'm gonna go ahead and container my collagen really fast. This is the collagen that I use. I love this collagen. It's like a mid-grade collagen, but personally speaking, I love the performance of it. There's Japanese collagen, which is like the industry best, but then there's this, and because it's more easily accessible and has a really good price point, it's pretty much the one that I reach for. I see results pretty fast, and I really appreciate that I can grab it from anywhere like Amazon, TJ Maxx. Sometimes TJ Maxx has it in stock, sometimes it doesn't. You kind of have to go to multiple ones to get like the cheapest option, but if you want what you want when you want it, then I just typically get it from Amazon. This collagen is really good. It's unflavored, it's light. Drinking it in straight water kind of gives it, you can taste the flavor when you drink it in straight water. It makes the water a little thick, which is understandable. But this is, let me just make sure I have enough. But this is unflavored, and when I put it in just about anything, it doesn't make or break whatever I'm putting it in. So that's a really good thing. For me, I feel like the taste is undetectable, but you know, that's just my opinion. Okay, I hope you guys are sticking to your fenugreek challenge. Please let me know how it's working out for you. I'm gonna be here with you every step of the way. If I have anything new to talk about in regards to this or how I make it, I will let you guys know. It was a pleasure. Bye. really quickly, I just want to go over bottling up my fenugreek tea. I found some really cute dollars in it. So this morning I just wanted to go over